to pop on and share a quick tip with you. I don't know about you, but when I am working on a project, I often make several variations of the same thing using the same supplies, all in one kind of session. I rarely just make one thing and then put everything away. Figure if I have it out and I'm using it, I'll make multiple, so I'll do different color variations or slightly different styles or techniques. For example, here I have been working with the Lisa Horton floral teacups, and I have a few different things here. So I've been working on things, and I have the layering stencils here, and I'm going to do more. So I thought, as I was doing a quick way of doing the stencils, because if you do the water and you take them and you do all that, which I do that for my projects kind of at the end of the day, if they're needed, but I found a really quick and easy way to clean things, particularly stencils, that dries really fast because it evaporates, is isopropyl alcohol. So I don't know if everybody else is new to this, or if I'm just really late to the game, but I've been using it for a while. I guess one good thing came out of COVID, we realized all the good uses for isopropyl alcohol, perhaps. I don't know. Anyways, but I thought maybe I would share because, anyway, somebody saw me doing it and they were unaware of it. So I thought, oh, maybe other people are too. I don't know. Anyways, I put it in, I have a mini mister here that I just have red on the top to kind of identify which one's my water and which one is my rubbing alcohol. And if you take it and you just spray a little bit on your stencil, it wipes up super easy. It cleans it up really easy. It works with a wide variety of inks as well and cleans them up, which is really nice. And it dries almost instantly. So then right away, if you are doing something, because sometimes I will put them out. I have my grip mat here, but sometimes I have true confessions, I have more than one grip mat, sometimes for exactly this type of thing. When I'm working on something and I want to do multiples, I find it convenient. So I have a layering stencil like this. I might want to move it from here, from tier 1 grip mat to my next grip mat, but with a quick, easy, because I like to change the colors, because I don't like to do too many of the same thing over and over again. Or even if you are using the same color again, sometimes perhaps maybe you don't want the ink to smear, depending on the stencil and the one you're doing. So this is a really quick, easy way to clean up your inks in between uses that really does clean them up well. I'm just trying to do it there. You have to be careful, obviously, just like all stencils. You can dab it where the parts are a little bit more delicate. I'll do a quick little wipe on the back again to make sure, and then it is clean. You don't have to worry about any ink smear. You're not going to get any contamination or colors that you don't want, either on your brushes or whatever you're using to stencil with, or on your next project, or weird color blends. So anyways, I hope that that is helpful to you. It works really well. Also works well if you want to do embossing folders and you want to emboss a bunch of things and you have different ink colors and you want to change the inks on the embossing folder and give them a quick wipe off. This dries and evaporates quicker than water does, which really works well if you are doing anything that uses, if you have a water reactive ink. If you have a water reactive ink, you don't want any moisture or water in there to reactivate things and cause any bleeding in a way that you might not want it. The rubbing alcohol, with its faster drying time because it's got a high, fast evaporation rate, works great for those. So, hope you found this tip useful. Bye.